Crazy Mike, CrazyMikesapps.com with an iPhone app demo for iWatermark free by Plum Amazing. This application is in the photography category, is iOS universal, works on the iPhone, iPod Touch, and iPad, and is free. There is a paid version called iWatermark that sells for 99 cents. This multi-platform photo utility application allows you to claim your photos with a text, graphic, or QR code watermark visibly on your image. Let's go ahead and see how it works. We are pulled up here at the main screen. I can select a photo from my camera roll by simply tapping on either my camera roll or my photo stream. I've already selected Duke, my dog. I could also take a fresh photo using my iPhone 4S camera and put an image into this application that way as well. I'm going to go ahead and tap on iWatermark Photo and use some of the pre-designed watermarks provided by the developers in this application. You can have a long date that will be at the top, a short date. There's a variety of things in here. I like access denied, so we'll go ahead and tap off of the slide wheel there, and we can drag this watermark wherever we want. As you can see, we can make it smaller by pinching in, and we can also twirl it using our two fingers by rotating them. We can drag it down to where we want it, put it right on Duke like that. I like it there. We can save that, and once we choose to save it, a whole lot of options come up. You can save it to your photo library, email it in a variety of qualities, and upload to some social networks such as Facebook, TwitPic, and I believe Flickr as well. Copy to the clipboard. We'll go ahead and cancel out of there. We'll go home, and I'll show you how to create a text watermark. Tap on that selection. You can tap on text. I've already pre-populated it with Crazy Mike's apps. You can tap on some of these other pre-designed options up here, such as copyright, date, and so on. Tap off of there, and then I can select from 77 different fonts. There are a load of fonts in this application for you to trick out your watermarks easily. We'll go with maybe that one. Yeah, that's nice. You can do some other things as well. Once you select it, you can change the size using a slider, but you can also do that with the pinch and zoom feature that I've already showed you, a pinch out, pinch in feature. Opacity, you can change how dark it is. You can make it lighter so it's not as easy to see, or you can make it really dark. We'll go ahead and set it down here to pretty light. We'll say OK, and then you can also change the color to any color in the rainbow. You could angle it. The angle is going to change the angle of it, but again, you can do that with your fingers. You can drag this, grab hold of it, squeeze it in, drag it over here, and we're going to put it right on Duke like that. And again, we can save and exit there. We're going to cancel that and exit out and show you the last feature, which is create a graphic watermark. Now, this could be a QR code. It could be an image. You can scan in your signature and save it. And you can save these images to reuse later as well. Let's go ahead and select an image. We'll go from my camera roll and we'll grab the Crazy Mike head icon, which is our logo. Once we do that, we can do some things with this. We can obviously do a lot of the same things we did with the text, which is edit that by changing the opacity, the scale. We want to make this a little bit lighter. Drag that down there. We'll say OK. Got it. And then we're going to tap off there, and we're going to make it really small. We're going to drag it down here, and we're going to put it on this side. Typically, you see it on the right, I think, a lot of the times, but we're going to put it right there. And once it's done, again, I can save and exit, and I can name my watermark. And again, this will allow me to use it later. We'll just put CMA, and we will save it, and it'll tell me it's saved. Watermark saved, new watermark saved into Roller. Now, when I go in to do the iWatermark photo, my watermark that's been saved will be in there to reuse. Now, in the free version, which is what we're checking out, there's going to be a small iWatermark watermark placed at the bottom of every one of your photos because this is the free version. If you want to get the full version down here, that will actually take that watermark out. That's a great thing. This is a great photo utility app to claim your photos iWatermark free. Until next time, this has been Crazy Mike saying, see ya.